Welcome to the Chell Show, folks. Today we're gonna throw a Holley on a 302. Down and dirty, quick, to the point, real simple. Check it out. Alright, we got a spacer plate right here. Already verified gasket fits. I'm gonna set this down, set the carb on it, make sure it fits. Close enough for the government. Carburetor studs, throw them in there. Throw a gasket on there. I'll clean this surface. Throw a gasket on there. It goes on one of these ways. Something like that. Another gasket. Let's throw the carburetor on there. Be kind of careful with that step. Put all your washers on, like to cover up carb, and move everything out of my way, because if you drop a washer down in that carburetor, you're going to take it all back off, and if it goes down into the intake, well, it's going to be a bad day. Yeah. Throw all your nuts on. It's a 1/2 inch. Got a wobbly on here. Goes pretty snug. I'm gonna go across from each other. Not sure if it matters that much, but it's just a habitory thing. Watch out! Alright, so you install your vacuum Avante carburetor right here. PVC valve goes in the back. At least that's what was hooked up on this truck. And then your fuel line. Right here is something to keep an eye out. This fuel line's cracked. So I'm gonna go ahead and whack that off. Slap that bad boy on there. This old 302's got a mechanical pump on it. I need to put some more lubrication on. This joke kind of hanging a little bit. Little WD-40 ain't gonna hurt nothing. You got an electronic choke. Go ahead and hook that back up. Throttle cable. I believe on that one she just pops on. And we're gonna crank her up, see if she'll run. Come on. It's probably gonna take some pumping and cranking. Gotta fill them bowls all the way back up. I got the juice to do it. Let's go take her for a test drive. Yeah, I wasn't even recording that whole time. Crap. I can't get traction. making a funny noise. Yeah, I love this geared shit. It's pretty cool. I don't know. I had one when I was about 16. I had a White House beer tap, or beer tap handle. I don't know what you want to call it, but I had one on a shifter in high school. And this truck reminds me a lot of high school. Well, I appreciate y'all watching the Chelton channel, and oh yeah, Merry Christmas. God bless. Catch you on the next one.